Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we are redirected to the Vendors tab, where all existing vendors are listed. To add a new vendor, we click the Create button at the top. We start by entering the vendor's GST number, which autofills some details. Next, we enter short nickname for easy reference. We choose the account ledger purpose. In this case, raw materials suppliers, and the system autofills the PAN number from the GST. On the right side, we set the contact started date and confirm the currency. Finally, we assign a purchase manager and set their permissions: read, create, update, or delete. Once everything looks good, we click Save and the vendor profile is created. Next, we scroll down to the contact table and click Add Contact to add a point of contact person. We enter their valid name and valid email address, and then save. We then click Add Bank Details to record the vendor's banking information: bank name, branch name, account number, IFSC code, and SWIFT code, and save once filled in. We can also add internal notes and attach supporting documents for this vendor using the respective Add buttons. And that's it. The vendor profile is fully set up with contact, bank, and address details, ready to be used across RFQs, purchase orders, and invoices.